I will make a sound. Make a sound. All right. All right. We good. We live. We here. What's good? What's good? Hopefully, we're going to look at what the charts did today. Granted, I didn't go live for very long yesterday because I didn't trade. This is like my first day trading. And what's good? What's good, my boy? What's good? What's good? Granted, I didn't trade till today because I just try to wait to the markets. Low key, I was waiting on this buy right here, but I was thinking it's gonna go down a little more before I start buying. I wanted to buy like down here. Let's see. Let's go to the 4 hour. Like maybe if it make like some type of like I don't know, but I do. I was trying to sell today. Yeah, I was trying to sell today too. I was trying to sell. I just that was my first trade of the day, and I lost. I lost, bro. It just I lost though. My first trade. I was trying to sell because I'm like at least got to come back down here. I was going at least was gonna come back down here. So what I see is US 30. Nas is going crazy. I don't know. Nas is on a different level. Nas, I don't know. Nah, so all right, so for 30, what I seen it was going up. So basically, I wanted a retracement. Only time you could abort was yesterday, but I was late to the party. Like it's all right. So the best time you could abort this was like right here. But look how quick it went up. Like it's 7 o'clock New York section. Look how quick it's already up. Granted, and then the 9:30. I like to wait after the 9:30, and then it just dropped. So the best time to buy today was early in the morning, but I usually don't trade around 6. I usually try to be patient and try to wait till 7. I or even to like boom, boom. And I was just being patient today. Like I don't be trying to force trade. So it came down. Like once it came down here, I was like, "Oh, this is a super good buy," but never hit it. So it started breaking structure. Low key, it's not really breaking structure. It low key can still be a buy, but like I said, I thought yeah, yeah, I thought the market was gonna move higher than this, in all honesty. But like I said, I can't control the markets. I'm thinking 30 gonna dip a little bit. I want to buy down here, but yeah, 30 I wanted to buy. I'm like, all right, it's gonna start selling. I was trying to sell to this area right here. And then I was just gonna try to see if I get something in right here for the buys. But it's just I don't know. Like cause my only buy opportunity was today, but it was kind of late. So 30, like I said, I entered this one 30. Um we can even draw it out. So let's just even draw it out. So 30. Here. Clone again. Damn. Yeah, make this smaller. Clone again. Clone again. So I just want to draw all my points before it broke the market. And where is the clone again? Clone. We're gonna clone one more time. Cause I ain't been drawing it. I just be looking at the market and I'll be like, boom, boom. Now you low key you don't have to. Nah, yes you do. Cause this is it before it broke out. Cause even on the hour comes up, comes down, breaks through this, the high, comes up, comes down, breaks through this high, comes up. Low key, that's why I still think it can still be a buy though. It still can be a buy because this could just be like fake outs, bro. So granted, it's gonna be a buy, but I'm like, it's gonna sell. And then that was my first sell of the day. I'm not even too mad on the sell. Lost a little bit, lost a little bit. But I'm not too mad. I'm not upset on this sale. This sale, it won't, it was all right. Like I won't too mad. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, this I entered this at like probably like 3:30. Yeah, like 3:30. So I'm like, man, the market about to close. So granted, I was like, let me just happen. It wicked me out and then went right back to break even. I was like, wow. So 30. So I got 30. So that's the only one I did for 30. Uh I was thinking about doing I was thinking about entering these, but I'm like, nah. I was thinking about a buy, but I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna enter this. And then I was thinking, and I was like, nah, I'm not gonna enter the buy. Did I enter this? Did I? So that might have not been my first one. Oh yeah, yeah. Yesterday I was trying to sell. Was I? Yeah, yeah. Yesterday I tried to sell. I went break even. I'm tripping. Yeah, I went break even. That's why I said. Usually when I go break even, I really don't even count that. I don't be counting it because I went break even fast. As soon as it dropped, I was like, okay, okay, boom, break even. And then I was thinking about buying, but I'm like, man, it just don't look like a clean buy. Like it just don't look that clean. And granted, I didn't. Yeah, I be like, damn. So I lost. No, no, no. I was gonna enter a sale, but I'm like, nah. Yeah, I sold yesterday, went break even, and then I was gonna buy. Then I was like, nah, I'm not gonna buy. I like to see more bullish momentum. Granted, I still think it can buy. Because this is what I thought on gold. I thought once it passed this area, I thought it was gonna tank. Like I thought it was just gonna like just keep dropping. It can still drop though. It can still keep dropping, but I'm thinking, damn, I thought this joint, or it can just retrace up and then I could sell again. So, but like I said, I'm not too bad. Yeah, it can still drop. So like if it still drop, that's a good. I get some good sales and because what sell, boom, boom. All right, let's see. Let's start cloning. Damn, this too big. Okay, that's a good size. Like boom, boom, came here. Clone comes up here. Yeah, I wanted to drop. I wanted to drop. But if it dropped, I could get a good entry in. Why the fuck I wrote oh, damn, I didn't mean to say that. Why did I draw that? Okay. I like oh yeah, that's why I need to start drawing my 4 hour jump because it broke here. Ooh, this would have been a good sell. Oh my gosh, that's why I need to start drawing sometimes. Sometimes I just be like, man, I know where I'm like that. This would have been a crazy sell right here. Oh my gosh. Cause it would have because it would have broke tap. Let me see. Hour wise, I probably would have want to sold like right here. I probably would sell like right here though. I don't really even like this sell. Like maybe even higher. Like maybe at most here. And then I would have just held to like right here. Yeah, I should have sold. Yeah, because the 4 hour telling me that's a good sell. The 4 hour telling me that would have been a crazy sell point. So dang. I just won't. I don't know, man. I really just been waiting on the market. So I really ain't even like look to trade this week. Because what? I was looking for US 30, it kept going up. I was looking for Nas, it kept going up. Third gold, it was like I don't know. It just won't the best setups to be honest. I was looking for this when this happened Tuesday. I was like, okay, now I sell. But granted, I had a good opportunity today. It just I still have a good opportunity. I still think it can sell good. Yeah, I think. Let me see. 5 minutes. It's still yeah. It's still good sell points, low key. Low key, it's still good sell points. A nice 4R right here. I don't like the stop loss as much, but I don't really like it too much. But make this clear. Like, this is something I would take though. I ain't gonna lie, this is something I would take. I don't like the stop loss kind of tight, but I want to get one more push up. Let it push up one more time, then come back down. I'll sell with it. Like this, I'm canceling this. I don't even want to enter this. So, like, if I wanted to entry, let me go 15 minutes. So, boom. I don't know. I don't know where an entry would be. Let me go hour. Maybe at most, right? Yeah, I could still. Yeah, because that's like a scalping trade, not scalping. Yeah, most I can enter this, but oh, that could make me some money. I'm thinking about it. Let me see though. Let me look at the 5 minute. I want it. Oh man, dang man. It's not a bad one. It's not a bad. It's just not a bad. This is really not a bad sell, low key. This is not a bad sell. This is actually a pretty okay sell. In all honesty, if it's hit stop loss, it just hit stop loss. But it's not a bad. Like, I sold this yesterday. Like, if I enter this now, if it comes right here, I would just close out break even. Because if it comes and it doesn't go back down, let me see. I'm not even gonna be greedy. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna be greedy and like enter now. I probably won't, knowing me. Because if it goes above here, I'm just thinking, okay, it just doesn't want to go down. Because anything in the blue should just smacks down like this. This is why I enter anything in the blue. Usually, this is my TP. Anything in the blue comes up, retrace, boom. But I'm still at 2,900. I'm almost at 300,000. I ain't trade, bro. I didn't trade all week. I was trying to pass. I thought I was gonna pass my prop firm yesterday. I meant today, but I still can pass in one trade. Like, I could take this one right now, but I'll pass this one. Yes. I need like 1% now. When gold, I like how gold look. This is what I'm gonna do though. I still got sell potential though. Got nice. I just don't know where. Like, nah, I ain't gonna over leverage it, man. Because this is a good trade. Because even look. So say if I enter like this right here, if it come to like at least right here, I could probably pass it. If it come to here, I could pass it. So gold, yeah, gold looking crazy. Um, Down. Yeah, I gotta hurry up and pass this joint. Get an extra 2 bands off this joint. Let me see the gold. Okay, yeah, let me see that gold. I like how gold looking. Yeah, I like how that gold. I like how it's gold looking, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. That I could just put a alert low key. Then TP. Let me see my T. Let me see the TP. What it's looking like. Oh. Yeah, that TP right there is exactly 1%. But I don't like that. I ain't gonna take it. I don't really like it too much. But granted, it's a good trade. I just don't like it too much. I want it to go up one more time and then come back down. But I can't tell the market what it do. But even if it goes up, it's still a sell. Unless it just keeps just rising. We gonna see what this do though. I got SPY at all-time highs. Let me see SPY. Cause Nas, look at bro, you seen like look at Nas. That's all right. We done with gold. Nas, oh my gosh, bro. Look at this, man. Look, I don't even know how. I was waiting for it to come back here. This happened Monday, bro. Nas went up this hard, 900 points in 3 days. I didn't know. I didn't. It's like, granted, I knew this was gonna happen. That's why I'm like, all right. But why US 30 ain't run like that? That's what I'm not. Well, oh, that's why because US 30 already kind of broke highs. Nas is just now no, yeah, Nas is just now break. US 30 been kind of was at highs since. No, let me see. Let me look at Nas again. You did? Damn, that's some good shit right there. You caught that Nas? Woo! Let me see. Where would I'm trying to think where I even enter at in Nas. What was this? This happened too fast for me, bro. Well, this Friday. Okay, no, Thursday, Friday. Okay, this happened in the morning. It's like it didn't do no retracement, bro. So once this happened, once it broke out Friday, I'm like, all right, if it comes back here, I'm gonna just enter and then just let it ride out for the weekend. And it never rolled out. And you know what I be hating? I be hating taking stuff like this. I put a TP, but I know it's gonna go farther, and it don't just smacks my TP. Like sometimes I probably just need to throw alerts instead of just throwing TP because I probably would have still held. But granted, I do think 30 is coming back down for another re-entry. I do think 30 gonna come down, but I think it is gonna like scorch up. I'm just upset. I lost this one. Yeah, because Nas, you can't do nothing with Nas. I'm just not gonna mess with Nas. Nas, I'm not gonna touch Nas. Nas is too damn hard to do. And like, granted, you can scalp. I just don't. I just wouldn't want to. Yeah, I just wouldn't even want to scalp. Yeah, I wouldn't. Don't even scalp. Don't even be greedy. You can scalp on like a smaller time frame. Like, nah, not even really. I'm trying to see. Comes down here. Boom. Yeah, I won't even scalp. So Nas, I like how 30 look. Hopefully we could get that 30 piece on that Nas. And get that 30 piece on that Nas. Gold. Gold. I might think about it. I don't know. If it really doesn't move, I might answer. So I could just pass this challenge. Because I think gold gonna go down. It's gonna go to here at least. It's gonna go here. I wanted it to go up and then come back down one more time. Then I was like, oh yeah. So I could get an early entry. That's the only way why I want an early entry. Now I know I'm gonna pass, man. I ain't even tripping. Once I pass, I was thinking about making a TikTok for just this trading shit. Cause you know, TikTok, that should be booming. instead of YouTube, so I could get TikTok. I want to do the TikTok method. Because a lot of people, they was like, man, they got people going live trading US 30, got like 400 views. Now, TikTok is easy because when I was streaming up there, that Overwatch and stuff, I was getting like 9, 10 views. Like TikTok, you get views though. YouTube, I just do this so I could go back and look at my mistakes. Low key. I like YouTube though. And you could like, I just like YouTube. Or you could just multi-stream. But I might switch to TikTok next week though, just to do a little test run. I'm gonna switch to TikTok next week. I'm gonna switch to that was the wave I'm going. So GJ, all right, let's look at GJ. Look at all these fucking GJ. I don't know. Let's see GJ. Buy, jump, comes here, it breaks. Let's delete this. Just delete this. Delete. Comes here. I like this. What is this? A gold zone. Down. Oh man, we're gonna delete this. Granted, I got GJ going up still. You gotta remember, long term, I have GJ buying, but right now it's just GJ is just nasty right now. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what GJ is. I'm just not trading it. This shit, like, look, this is just nasty right now. Like, I don't. It's not even a clean range. Like it comes here, then it's like I don't know. It's just not clean to me. Yeah, GJ just don't look. It just don't look pleasing right now. But I'm gonna mark it up just in case. Let me see. It comes here. Let me just mark up GJ. Just down. Let me clone. You're just gonna do right here. So we're just gonna do that. Boom. We're not. Boom. Let's down. Gonna put it right here. This is a point of interest. Comes down, breaks through. Because it's this the buying area when you want to buy. Boom, boom, boom. Breaks this buying. Breaks this. This is the sell area. Comes up here. Comes up here. I really just want it to at least. It's going to touch this gold line. Not really. Not. I have more faith in this gold line. Like I said, I would have just bought right here and then just held for life. Like this is something you just hold. Like once it did this, you probably would just hold. But it went in so high, I'm thinking it has to retrace. It don't have to, but so GJ, I'm just looking for this. Let this go up, and I'm gonna just hold. Let it go up. Maybe I get in the sale early. Maybe I don't. No, I probably wouldn't get in. Let me see. No, I wouldn't get no sales early. Yeah, I wouldn't get no sales early. Yeah, I just wouldn't even trade this right now. I just don't like how long like this how it looks right now. I just don't like it. Like this. At least it was a range that didn't want to break to the downside. So I'm just boom, boom. I'm just buying. But this is like does it don't I don't know where it want to go. Like this looked like it wants to go up. This looks like it wanted to go down. Then it went up. Then it went back down. So right now it just looked like it might want to go down. But it kept making lows. So I'm like, okay, it's selling. So I tried to sell with it. Never worked. Stop trading it. Comes up. I might sell it here. Really, I probably won't even trade this. So I got Nas. Nas, I don't know what to do. Gold. I said gold. If it just go above here, I can still find a sell opportunity. So I'm betting on gold as of right now. Nas 30. Ah, I'm still betting on 30 low key. I can maybe get an early entry up here. But the thing about an early entry, I don't like early entries because I still think it's gonna go up. Like me entering here is wow because it still has the capability of going up. If it is like doesn't want to break above here, then I'll sell. Then it comes like so what I'm seeing for 30, if it doesn't really want to break like above and then it just keeps sinking down, then I enter. But if it comes here, I ain't gonna want to think of selling. Like I don't know. I'm just not gonna think of it. Let's see. Yeah, I ain't gonna do this too long. Probably a little 30-minute live. But like I said, I'm going back to I said going back. I'm doing US I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna send the TikTok and stuff. Like I said, Tesla, like I said, Tesla, nice little golden zone. Anytime it hit that golden, it goes here. Goes right here. Boom. Like I said, I would have entered. Boom. You come in, you enter, you wait, boom, boom, you wait till it hit here. Simple. Um, just like any other joint I trade. I'm wait. I don't really like this one. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm gonna actually delete this. I don't like this. Yeah, I don't. This is what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I don't like the sell. I don't like it. This is what I'm gonna do. If it breaks here, I might buy. Breaks. Yeah. But they gotta wait till the morning. I probably won't trade this now. And I want it to come here too. I do want it to sell though. I do want it to sell. I'd rather sell. I meant buy. Gold, if it comes now, if gold doesn't break this and it comes back down, I enter now. Now I feel more comfortable enter. Like if it comes up and then it just shoots back down to here, I'ma enter. Like matter of fact, I'm gonna just put an alert. I'm gonna do I'm gonna put it in a pending stop. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna put in that pending stop because if it just break this, I'm gonna just look for another sell above here, and that's even better. But if it doesn't, if it just keep going down, it's gonna enter from here, a nice little 5R, and we good. We're gonna look at a couple of stocks. We just looked at Tesla. Let's look at Nvidia. What did I tell you? What I tell you? I said Nvidia. Matter of fact, you said it too. You said Nvidia going to 200. Is that 200? Is that 200? You said it. You said Nvidia going to that 200. I told you. I would have bought Nvidia right here and then just look. That's it. It's simple. I would have bought that Nvidia, but then I probably would have took profits probably today. You don't even got to take profits. You can really hold like for life. But if you need to pay some bills, go ahead and take them profits. I like how you see Nvidia is simple. Got Amazon. Amazon, look, I would have won this one, would have lost, would have went break even this one, and then I would have entered this one. And look at this. We just waiting for it to hit here. We're just waiting. Simple. Amazon looking nice. Amazon looking clean. We're gonna look at your boy Meta. Meta, look at Meta. Meta doing this thing right now. Granted, I wanted to push up harder. I'll get in. I ain't gonna lie. I get in Meta again. Like, in all honesty, this is why. In all honesty, I get in Meta again. Now, if it came here, I'm getting in. Let's see. Yeah, right. Oh my gosh, Meta. Ooh, ooh, you see Meta? Look, I would have entered right here, like I said. Boom. Well, bam. Comes down. Ooh, look at Meta. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I enter right here. Like, maybe can you have quarter today? If you want to be a bold nigga, if you want to be bold and catch it right here, fine. Let me see something. Comes here, comes up. This is the height. Breaks here, sells here, comes here, sells here, comes here. I like this one better. Another one you can another I like this one better. I'm not gonna lie, but another one you can buy is come on. Damn, okay. I can't. It's like I'm trading. It's like because I got in two positions at once. Oh my god. Somewhere, yeah. I ain't gonna lie. Somewhere right here. I'd make the stop loss a little bit shorter. Let's see the let's go to bring it to right here. There's a nice one right here. I like this gold zone. I love this gold zone meta right here. But right now, I'm banking on this meta right here down low. But you want to enter, you want more entry. The low key, I wouldn't enter this because if I'm already in one that's so high in profit, I want to get an A plus setup. This is like a B. I ain't gonna lie. This is like a B. Why? Because it still has potential to go down. Like it just got the potential to go down still. So like if it was like right here, I'll buy. But granted, this is a good buy right here. This is still a good buy. Like, well, honestly, I would have bought right here. Boom. Oh yeah, I would have bought as market close. Meta look clean. And now we just waiting. Oh yeah, Meta looks nice. Granted, Meta can come back down. But this is why I like this is why I would probably enter somewhere around here again. Because if this goes up, no, let me see. Yeah. It, nah, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, because if this one goes up, I don't have to portray. I'm putting this one like break even, like kind of near this stop loss, low key. Because why is it like if it goes up, why is it coming back down unless it just bing, 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 and then keep going up? But I rather take that risk of the bing. Like sometimes it'll hit my stop loss and just rise up, and I'll be like, damn. But that's just part of the game. That's just like that's just part of the game. But I would enter something like this today. I would like it to go like right here. I probably would have entered like right on the money. But I like how Meta is looking. Meta an A plus right now. Cause this was like an A setup. This is like a B setup. This right here would have been like if it came down to like right here, this would have been like A plus. A plus. Cause time frame, cause on Robinhood, it's like a different broker. Like it's just a different chart pattern. Cause most people they'll do like just to look at charts in general, everyone going like trading view because it's clear, it's more clearer, it's more crisp, it's just clearer. Like Robinhood, most people would just do like little entries off there, basically. Yeah. So basically it looks the same. It's at 6.9. Yeah, right now. Oh, yeah, it is at 6.95 right now. Okay, yes, it is at 6.95 right now. Cause look, dang, I would have went break even then. So look, yeah, cause it's a post right now, so it is at 6.95. Dang, that's tough. So, damn, I would have lost. I would have lost. Granted, no, I'm not even gonna take it back and be like, oh, I would have just entered here. No, I'm not gonna do that. But I would have entered it. Yes, I don't even care. I still would have entered here, and I just would have went break even today. Because look, enter from here, it hits this goal line. If it hits the goal line and shoots up, it's just gonna hit this. But it went back to 6.95. It is at because post right now. Because I got my chart like when the market is closed, it doesn't show the price. I just got it shows where it's at though. So 6.95, but it can't go up. It can't go up in the morning. It can't go down. But granted, I'm gonna leave this here because this is something I would have entered, and this is something I would have entered. I probably would have went break even and lost this one. But granted, that's what it comes with the game, though. So basically, yeah. So basically, the gold is like kind of like my buy area, like because granted, because this what happened at gold. It was here at its highest point. It broke its highest point and came here. So it comes back down, and usually every time it comes back down, it kind of goes to the same spot. Like you see, look, it comes down. This is the highest. It comes down. It went to gold. It didn't work this time. You lose. Granted, though, it doesn't happen 100% of the time. It happens majority of the time. You buy again in gold area. Boom. It comes up. You win. Look. So you win that one. Boom. Okay. It comes again at gold area. It comes up, you lose. Granted, that's 1 out of 2 L's. But granted, we lost twice and we won one time. But granted, you still made more money because look, that's one R you lost. But look at how much RRs you would have caught off this one. So say it comes down here, retrace. Let's just say you enter like right here. Boom. You get just say like right. Let's be realistic. Let's just say we enter from here. The stop loss probably be like right here. So it'd be a 3.5. So basically what I'm doing is I'm not trading that day. Like it can take as long as it wants to, basically. So basically, I am swinging. Basically, I am swinging. That doesn't mean it can happen in a day, but most of the time, like so say like I entered from the fifth. This trade would have won in by the sixth. It would have won by the 16. So yeah, I am swing trading basically. Like this one, I would have entered this on the 13. I would have took some profits here and I would have closed out at break even here. Today I would have entered this, but it went down to 695. So granted, this is how it would look. Yeah, like so options. My man's in his chat. He love the options. Usually he holds it for like a year or a year or two because it gives it more breathing room. It gives you more margin for error. So, like, if I was trading options, this is why I think you need a lot of money in trading options. When you want to hold it for a long time, you need a lot of money to put in. So, like, I I don't want to trade options in a bad options pair. I just wouldn't want to do it. So I will hold my options for like a year, basically. Even if it comes here, like so, I buy like 2 options call from here, and it comes here, hits my TP. I probably take out something, and then I just let it keep running. Like to be honest, I would have took something like 50% out here and let it keep. I probably would have took out 50 and just let it hit either break even or just closed out like right here because I'm like, okay, it broke this. Now it wants to sell. So I probably would have closed out here and took out 50 here. So 50 here and 50 here. Granted, I would have lost twice, but I make more money basically. But what you were saying, you want your options, yes, longer than a year. It just doesn't make sense to trade like unless you day trade, sure, you should do 2-week options. I don't really like day trading too much though. Like I like good setups because even like this is a good setup because anywhere in here can buy. So like so you can't even day trade off just this because like look, so look, like I said, anything in this is a buy. So if it comes up, I could just start buying. So buy here, look, buys. It comes here, comes down. I could have bought right here. Just swing it. Just day trading. Buy. Uh comes here, another buy. Buy would have had TP here. Comes here, comes down, comes up, comes down. You could have bought right here. It's so much ways you can day trade though. This you could have got like I'm not even trying to be no funny. You probably would have made more money day trading this. Maybe I would have won like 6 times day trading this. I just don't like day trading. So buy one. Yeah, most likely it's gonna go up. Most likely it will go up. But you have to see bullish I have to see momentum. And then once I see the momentum and then retracement, I usually enter. Like you see this, boom, you see this momentum right here, momentum, retracement, enter, and then I just go. Even so, even if I miss this, it's a lot of momentum spots you could just enter though. Like here, boom. You can come back here. Look, boom, sell. You can go right here. TP. Look, that's a 3R. Boom. Boom. It hits his 3R. It's a lot of places like it comes up here. Cause look, it's in my blue area. It's in this blue area. So I can just keep buying. Like my mindset is just to buy in that area. I don't care if it goes down. If it goes down and it comes out of the blue area, I don't care. Okay. But in this area, I'm thinking here to here is guarantees to buy. That's my mindset. So, and it usually works. So sometimes I just buy here and I just hold. But granted, you could go on small time frames. It rages up, it do a retracement, buy. Raises up right here, do a retracement, you could buy right here. Raises up, I wouldn't buy this one. You could still buy this one. Buy here. Raises up. It's tight. Once it hit my maximum, nah, I would still buy. So raises up, come down. Probably wouldn't buy this. Or no, I probably would buy this. You just lose. Boom. Lose. Boom. Raises up, come down. Probably don't have the opportunity to buy. Raises up, come down, you buy, comes here, boom, boom, comes here. You could go break even, then it goes down. So you would have won about 7 times. You would have lost only like 2 times if you just day traded this in this blue area. If you just bought only, I showed you every time I would have entered 7 times. You probably would have entered like 7 times and you lost like 2 times with nice RRs. But granted, I just do this because I'm looking at other pairs. I'm looking at so much other pairs. Like if I was looking at one pair, I would day trade. But I look at so much other pairs, and I like a high. This is just a good percentage, so I would just get my 3R from here, and then just look at something else, basically, instead of just relying on one. You can rely on one. Some people do that though. Some people do that. Like you could rely on one and then just break it down. Like let's see. Like Amazon, we were looking at Amazon today. So Amazon, look, what I do. Let's look at Amazon. Anything in this is going to here. Look, it did it. Boom, boom, bow, boom, boom. It didn't go. Bow, lose, boom, boom. I would have entered again right here. Bow, it's going up. But granted, you can go on a smaller time frame when it hits in this blue area, which is in anything above this gold is the blue area. You can buy. But they'd be like, how do you buy? Granted, I'm gonna show you. Boom, boom. I'm trying to see. I'm just trying to see what I buy at. Comes up, boom. Wouldn't buy here. Boom. Okay, now I'm trying to buy. First buy. My first buy is here. First buy is here. And this is if I'm scalping. First buy is here. First TP. First TP. Then I will want a 3R TP. And then I just want to just rot it out. Basically. Look how much times you can buy. You can break it down though. Like another buy comes down here, comes up, boom, comes here. I would have bought here. I'm not gonna lie. Would have bought here, would have lost. Stop loss, TP. Maybe I would want it a little lower because I don't like a 1R, at least a 2R. But I would have lost that one. I would have bought somewhere right here. It comes down again. It comes up, comes here, breaks here, comes here, enter here. You can enter, don't ever come back, let it come down here, enter here. Support strong. Buy right here, TP here, second TP here, let it rock. So buy here, TP here, let it here. Just alerted me. Okay, so I'm thinking about, so I think it was gonna sell. You see how I'm selling in here? Look, is it my blue zone? I'm selling. Granted, comes here, didn't go, went break even. Fine. Comes here again, makes bearish momentum. Comes here, I'm selling. I'm selling. And then early on, I could have caught right here because granted, anything above here, this is really a blue one too. All of this is blue. Because look, if it could come here to here, but granted, I bust it down on a lower time frame because it broke here. So from here to here, it goes here. So from here, look. So from here to here, it goes here. But from here to here, it goes here. So I'm looking for bearish momentum, basically. It's just zones and areas you just look for. It's like if it comes here, it goes here. That's why I look at higher time frames. You can't really identify that. Like people who scalp should just do like this. Like look on a higher time frame. Look how much times you can buy in this area. Boom, boom. Look how much times I'm buying. Boom, boom. I bought 3 times in this one area. I bought 3 times. Granted, look how I'm trying to buy again because it's in my area. Boom, it didn't work. Okay, boom, went break even. Boom, lose this one. But I won 3 times, went break even once, and lost one. So I'm 3-1, and I win. Even if I lose 3 times, that's kind of out as one win. You feel me? I could lose 3 times and win 1, and I still make money. Like this one, I got it in for a 5R. So if I win, that's like me losing 5 times. Or even if I win, I take out 50%. That's 2.5 losses. And if it go crazy down, I could still get like that'd be like 7 losses. Let's look at another one. Like I said, I was explaining Amazon. We was explaining SoFi yesterday. Look at SoFi. It does this consistently. I'm not saying it works 100. People think the market works 100% of the time. Sometimes your ass is gonna lose. Like you see, I lose. But granted, look, you could have bought right here. Boom, boom, comes here. Didn't hit all the way here, but you did took some profits out. Granted, it comes back, comes here, comes back, comes here, comes back, comes here. Now it actually hit. But granted, you shouldn't lose no money at all trading this. You should have lost nothing. Yeah, SoFi did very good. SoFi, like you shouldn't have lost nothing trading SoFi. Look at this. It does it. It's like most of the market do this. Look, from here to here. Look, I enter early because look, it breaks here. So from here, it goes to here. So I enter here, boom, buy here, boom, buy here, boom, buy here. Comes down, you enter again, boom, comes up. Simple. 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 It just takes a long time. That I'm gonna be honest too. It does take a long time. That's why I didn't trade in like 3 days until now. It does take a long time. Did we look at Meta, SoFi, Google? Google just going up. You can't catch Google. Tesla. Well, Tesla. Boom. Anything is gold. Boom. Like, and let me tell the truth. In all honesty, I would have entered this and lost. In all honesty, I probably would have entered this and lost. Would have entered something right here and lost. Just being real. But I would have entered this one too and won. But look at this win. I would like say if I entered 2 times here, I'd have entered this and lost, and entered this one and lost, and entered this one, and it came almost here. And in all honesty, I low key probably would enter this again. I'm not even gonna hold you. It's in my blue area. I would have entered this somewhere down here. Really, I probably made the stop loss smaller. Let's see. Boom, comes here. Probably would have entered something like right here. Made this my stop loss. Make this my first TP. Made this my first. I probably just closed out at break even here. I want to take out no profit. It's too small. And then I just hold like this. Like if I was to enter, I would have did like this. So that would have been a nice 3R. I would have closed this one at break even. So it still didn't hit stop loss. I meant break even. So boom, 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 goes back up, boom. Well, honesty, you probably could enter again. Again. I ain't gonna lie. Like if I'm up like this, I just keep re-entering. Like in Nas, I was holding Nas for 3 weeks. I'm gonna just keep re-entering because I know Nas is gonna go up. Like if I'm holding this, I'd have been holding this for 2 months. But granted, I probably could re-enter so many times. Like boom, 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 boom. Maybe go boom, comes up, boom, enter here, boom, enter here, boom. I'm just following it. And look, in all honesty, I already had Tesla. Look, in all honesty, look, look. I drew it. Look from here. It's going to go back up here. Simple. It's just zones. So look, I drew this joint from here. This was in July. I knew the market was going to here. I knew it since July. Tesla would go here. I'd just be like, if I had so much money, I would just be in Tesla and hold and just wouldn't give a fuck. Like if I was just like some rich ass nigga, I probably just put Tesla. I would have bought Tesla in July. I probably wouldn't have bought Tesla at all when they broke this. I wouldn't have bought it at all. Probably bought one more time right here and then left it until it at least hit here. Because I would have been up like almost 5,000%. Something like that. Right, look at the hood. Look at hood. Look at hood. Granted, like I said, sometimes you just lose. Like I lost, but where did it go? It went almost right back to TP. Right? I mean, right back to where it was originally at. Granted, I know places you can enter. I probably wouldn't want to enter here. I probably would have waited till the dip. Yeah, yeah. It still look good. This is an A+ setup to me. Even when you lose, it's still a good setup. Because 9 times out of 10, it's gonna hit. No, Netflix. Netflix, you see Netflix consistently going up. I could break Netflix down too. Could break Netflix down. I could break Netflix down so easy right now. And sometimes this helps too. To show your highs and lows. Short term, it's selling. I just wouldn't want to touch this. That's why I say sometimes it does take a like Anything from here to here is going to sell from here. Granted, just go on a smaller time frame and you can see it. Like, look, you can see it. It's just I wouldn't want to touch it. I just wouldn't honestly want to touch this because I still think it can go up. Daily could show me something different. Nah, okay, daily is kind of telling me it might sell. Might, but I don't know. Like I said, this is something I just wouldn't trade because it's in such a bullish uptrend. Now it's going to sales. I just don't want to sell with it. Like it's kind of like gold. It's kind of like how gold is doing. I really don't care to sell it, in all honesty, because it's such a strong bullish uptrend. It's like, do I honestly care to sell it? Like, you see, do I honestly care to sell this? Because it's in such a bullish uptrend. Sometimes you just gotta do like it's such strong bullish uptrend. I don't even care to sell it. But yeah, that's all I got for today, man. But yeah, I'm gonna be up here tomorrow. Hopefully, I'll see what I could do. Hopefully, oh. But yeah, man, we out of here, baby.